In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Windows 11 25H2 on your device. And the best part is this guide works for both systems, no matter if your system is supported or not. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, just open any browser and search Microsoft software. Then click on the Microsoft website. Here click on Windows 11. Here you have three options to start. First is the installation assistant, second is the media creation tool method, and the last one is the ISO method. Usually, I always choose the ISO method. So just click on the drop down, select multi-edition ISO and download. Then choose the product language and confirm. Then click on 64-bit and the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, search for Rufus. Then click on the first link, scroll a bit and download the standard version. After downloading both files, close the browser and open the file manager. Then go to downloads. Here just right click on Rufus and run as administrator. Now insert a pen drive. Have at least 16GB because in this situation the ISO size is 7.9GB, and if we are using an 8GB drive, you have only usable space of 7.2GB or 7.5GB, so this is not enough for a bootable drive. After inserting the pen drive, choose the partition scheme. To know your partition scheme, just open Start and search for disk partition, then open it. Here, just right click on your main drive and go with properties. Then click on the volume tab and here you can see your partition scheme. Close this window and set the partition scheme as your disk. Then click on Start and here the modification tab appears. First, check for secure boot and TPM bypass. Second is always my favorite, for creating a local account for Windows. And the third and fourth, usually I will uncheck these. Fifth is best for disabling data collection. And the seventh is also good if you plan in the future to do boot or something. It is good for doing that without any error with Linux or Android, etc. Because if BitLocker is enabled, you cannot install other OS and do dual booting. And the last one, just ignore. After all your modifications, just click on OK. And then the process is started. This will take some time to complete. After it completes, click on Close. And as you can see, I have only 80 MB free now. Before starting the installation, in my case, I have only a C drive. But if you have any other important drives, just right click on the drives and rename them. It is good for the installation process to figure out which is the C drive and which are the other drives. After completing everything, just restart your system. In the restarting process, press the boot key continually, then go with your pen drive. After a short wait, the installation screen appears. Click on Next until you see the setup option. Check on Terms and Next again to accept the agreement. And as you can see, our C drive name is showing. And here you have to stop deleting partitions if you have other important drives. And do not worry, you cannot delete the pen drive storage accidentally. After deleting partitions, select the unallocated space and click on Next. And everything is ready for install. Just click on Install and the installation will begin. And now it takes some time, so have patience. Here, just choose your country, then choose the keyboard layout. Skip the second one. In the internet section, click I do not have internet. Here, give your PC a name, then set a password if you want. I will just skip that. And the installation is completed. As you can see, this is 25H2. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like this type of content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.